What up? It's your boy Southern Smoke back at it again. I'm sure you guys be missing me. So today I got some Southern style catfish that I'm gonna do. That I went to my fish market and picked up some. And I'm gonna be trying out that slap your mama. Slap your mama. We got the catfish fillets. We got some. Today we're gonna be using some cornmeal. And we got some egg to put it in. So first we're gonna go ahead and season our catfish with the slap your mama. Put some of this in my cornmeal. So let's go ahead and flip over this. Let's flip over this catfish. Hit it on this side. Check this out. We're gonna go ahead and put this catfish in the egg first. Just get it around in the egg. Then we'll go ahead and put in our cornmeal. This is that Big Mama style right here. I know a lot of y'all know I've seen Big Mama before. So the good thing about catfish is always in season. So we'll go ahead and drop this in that grease over there. She hot too, so be careful. So we'll go ahead and repeat that process again. Throw it in the egg. Check this out, man. We got some shrimp right here. Already no peeled and washed off. We'll go ahead and hit it with some of that slap your mama. But we gonna call this recipe slap your grandma. Just cause I'm making it. Yeah, so that's what I got to go with this day, man. I got some of that KFC coleslaw. You can't go wrong with KFC coleslaw, I'm telling you. I'm gonna come on and put some of these shrimp over in this egg, just like so. The egg just like that. Then I'm gonna put in this little cornmeal, like that. And they gonna go ahead and fry, man. So our catfish is nice and done, nice and golden brown. Hey, so this is a very simple meal, quick meal that you can make anytime when you're just getting home straight from work for the family or yourself. You guys was asking me to bring some cooking simple. I was making stuff that was to take a long time. So here it is, something very simple when you get home from work after a hard day at work. But hey, be sure to go over to my Instagram and check me out at Southern Smoke Boss. Hey, and if you're new to this, to viewing us, go ahead and push that subscribe button and hit that bell so you can get that notification. Thanks for tuning in. Peace out.